We're back with another knife review. Today it is the CJRB Taiga, or Taiga. This is considered a perfect size flipper due to the 8.25 inch overall in length, 3.5 inch blade, which is a drop point D2 stone washed with a flat grind blade. Handle length is 4 3/4. Stainless steel chassis, liner lock with a stainless steel pocket clip that is reversible for tip-up carry, left and right. Room for a lanyard hole. It is a manual flipper, which is easy to operate with one hand. The scales are G10. The weight of this blade is 4.91 ounce. And of course it comes in a carbon fiber green and another color, but I can't remember. The handle width at its widest point is 1.1. It has a contoured handle to fit your fingers perfectly. And the handle thickness, I think we just went over that, 1/2 inch. Alright, let's show you how it cuts. Start off with some basic jute. I like to use everyday items that people will be cutting instead of exotic things that no one will ever see, or something silly like a milk jug, because it's just not something that we're going to cut very often, even though it is fun. This knife is going to be a good all-around knife. It's not going to be exceptional at any of the tasks like precision cutting. It's going to get it done, but not as well as a knife that is designed for that. It's going to be nice for spear cutting or stabbing, but it doesn't have a spear point blade, so it's not actually designed for that, but it gets it done. Like that part. Where it is going to excel is in just plain cutting. As you can tell, it's going to cut right through the cardboard quickly and easily, and pretty much any other material that you put in front of it. So once again, this is the CJRB Taiga, T-A-I-G-A. Give you a close-up of it there, all around. It also has a see-through chassis with 2 barrel spacers. We like that. Room for a lanyard hole. And this is model 1903. For those of you that are watching on YouTube, make sure you subscribe to our channel. You won't be disappointed. We do weekly giveaways. So if you're looking for a free knife, why not give it a shot? If you're watching on Instagram, make sure you follow Atlantic Knife. We'll also do weekly giveaways there, as well as post tons of knife pics and info. On that note, I am C with Atlantic Knife, signing off.